Hey guys, today I'm going to air roast a couple of chicken legs in my new Comfee oven. So let's get roasting. People wondered if my 10-inch cast iron skillet fits in this new oven. I was like, yeah, it fits perfectly. In fact, the only time I used the air fryer basket was when I did the demo video. I've just been using this. And I bought this tray of chicken legs, and I've been cooking like 2 at a time all week, trying to get used to the oven. I keep overcooking them on the air fryer setting, and I accidentally hit the air roast setting the other day, and they turned out better. They turned out juicier, so that seems to work better so far. So I'm going to air roast these. So I'm going to season them with Kinder's Taco Blend seasoning. This is good on chicken. I've used it in videos before on chicken. And a little kosher salt on there as well. And flip them over and do the other side. So I don't know what the difference between air fry and air roast is, but there seems to be a difference because, like I said, it came out better on air roast. So I'm just going to cook these on the air roast setting today. It seems to cook quite a bit faster than my Black & Decker oven did, so we'll get these going now. Alright, my pan fits right in there. I'll get that in there. I'm going to set it to air roast for 21 minutes. Oven's getting pretty dirty looking already. Stuff splatters really bad when you use the air fry and air roast settings, so it's not going to stay very nice looking for very long. This oven is sitting on top of my microwave, so it's at eye level, so it's easy to watch it cook. And the temperature is at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's been 21 minutes and this just shut off. The cast iron holds the heat too, so they'll keep cooking for a few minutes if I leave them in the pan. So these cooked for 21 minutes, and they've been sitting in the pan cooling down for about 10. When I first started out, I was air frying them for like 25 minutes, and they were like way overcooked. So let's see what the bottom side looks like. Well, that looks real nice. Let's see how this one looks. Wow, nice. Looks good. Let's see what the inside looks like. Hopefully it's cooked. Oh yeah, it looks nice and moist. Look at that. Nice. Let's get a little bite there. Can I get some of the skin? Yeah. Alright, let's try that out. It came out real good. Chicken's juicy and the skin's crispy. I like it. Guess we'll see what Annie thinks here. You want to try a piece, Annie? There you go. Not bad, huh? I'm surprised how fast that cooks. Cooks everything almost twice as fast as my Black & Decker. Now that I got that figured out, maybe I can start cooking some good food. Those first ones I cooked are like way dry and overcooked, but those were really good. So it's kind of a learning curve. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.